Hey everyone, today I will show you my newest Birdbath engine version. This time it has two magnifying lenses between the display and reflector. This drastically improves the image quality and size comparing to the previous one. I don't have any custom optics yet, I've had to use what I've already had at home. Most 3D printed parts are the same as in previous version. I've designed a simple optics bracket which will hold both magnifiers at proper distances to other pieces. You could make a smaller magnifier, but it will require a lot of additional work. This is what it looks like with both pieces inside. It's really important not to touch it with fingers though. Here's the main body. It's pretty much the same as in previous version. The front reflector simply pops into the front. I've cut it out of the bigger piece which I bought like 7 years ago. I don't think you can get it anymore. It holds the reflector pretty well, it won't fall out on its own. You can of course push it out with your finger. On the other side I've attached the flat reflecting piece. It flips the image from OLED and projects it onto the front combiner. Using this way you will receive semi-transparent projection with correct orientation. Magnifiers on top will make sure that the image is readable even at close distance to eye. Right now you can see the reflection of my shirt, that's because there is no lid on top. The display holder goes on the very top of the assembly. I've secured it in place by melting the plastic pieces together. It looks like ass, but you always have to start somewhere. I'm still using the ECX display connected to the PI. It makes it way easier to test the display. The top piece has two screw holes which will hold the display driver in place. This will make sure that my display ribbon cable won't break. The display itself slides into this really small groove between the driver and lenses. Distance is calibrated for best optical clarity. I've designed a small plastic lid which will hold the electronics in place. It's pretty much finished now, but it still requires some outside light isolation. I will use regular isolation tape to make it as dark inside as possible. It's now perfectly isolated, still looks like ass though. And now it's time for quick video test. It's hard to get the camera in focus since it's semi-transparent. Overall, the results are better than in previous version. Image is bigger now and I can read some of the text. Some areas are super blurry, but that's because my optics are pretty much used up by now. There are a lot of scratches and soft spots. It's working okay, but there's still room for improvement. So this is the part where I show you the end result and thank you for watching. This time however I've already disassembled the project before filming the end credits, so I'm left with this.